Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you create presentations or slides for work, school, or clients, you need to see this. Now let's talk about one of AI PPT's most powerful features, the Markdown feature. This feature is extremely useful for people who want to turn raw text into ready-to-use presentation slides or a complete mind map. It's perfect for students, teachers, marketers, content creators, and professionals who work with structured text. This is AI PPT's latest feature, the Paste Text or Markdown Generator. Here, I've copied some text from ChatGPT, and now I'll simply paste it here on the AI PPT website. With this new feature, you can instantly convert any written content into a clean, well-designed AI presentation in just one click. I first pasted my content into ChatGPT to convert it into proper Markdown formatting. Then I copied that Markdown and pasted it here in AiPPT, and instantly the tool transformed it into a complete, well-structured presentation. After that, I can choose from over 20,000 plus professional templates to change the design in one click. The final slides look clean, structured, and ready to use. And when I'm done, I can simply export the entire presentation instantly. Free users can still use the Markdown feature by pasting Markdown text plus using ChatGPT to process it. Paid users don't need extra steps. AI PPT's AI will automatically optimize the text and generate a complete PPT or mind map directly. First, click on the Sign In button to log into your account. Once you sign in, you'll see an interface that looks something like this. Clean, simple, and really easy to use. Look at the left side of the interface. You'll notice a few important options that make creating slides super easy. iMages lets you quickly generate visuals that match your slide content. Just type a description and drag the image onto your slide. Templates give you access to over 200,000 professional designs, automatically adjusting your content, fonts, colors, and layout for a polished look in seconds. Now here, you can choose how you want to create your presentation. You can start by entering a topic to generate slides instantly, or explore other options like generating dynamic slides, importing a document, pasting text or Markdown, or even importing content directly from a URL. Now, I'm selecting Generate Dynamic Slides. Here, you just need to enter your topic, and you'll find a few options. You can choose how many slides you want to generate. Select the language, tone, scenario, and content amount according to your need. Once everything is set, simply click on Generate, and AI PPT will instantly create a complete, dynamic presentation for you in seconds. Once the outline is ready, AI PPT automatically organizes all your key points into a clean, structured format. You can review the outline, make any changes you want, or even add your own custom text and ideas. Everything is fully editable, so you have complete control over the content before generating the final slides. Now, once your outline is finalized, the next step is to select a theme. AI PPT offers over 20,000 plus professional templates, so you'll always find one that perfectly matches your presentation style. Whether you want something modern, minimal, or creative, just pick the one that fits your topic. AI PPT automatically apply consistent fonts, colors, and layouts across all slides. After selecting your theme, you can also choose the image source model. AI PPT gives you multiple AI image models to generate visuals that perfectly match your slide content. Once everything is set, your topic, outline, theme, and image source model, simply click on Generate. AI PPT will instantly start creating your presentation slide by slide, adding perfectly matched visuals, consistent layouts, and well-structured content. In just a few seconds, you'll have a complete, professional-looking presentation ready to use or customize further. Here, you have the freedom to edit any text, replace images, adjust layouts, or even add new elements like text boxes and icons. Everything updates automatically, keeping your design clean and professional. So you can fine-tune every detail and make your presentation exactly the way you want it. In the image upload section, you can either upload your own image or simply enter a prompt to generate one with AI. Here, as you can see, I've entered my prompt, selected the image size and model number, and then clicked on Generate. Within seconds, AI PPT creates a perfectly matched image that fits right into your presentation. You can add it directly to your slide with just one click. AI PPT automatically adjusts the placement and layout to make sure the image looks clean and perfectly aligned with your content. After finishing your presentation, AI PPT lets you export your project in multiple formats. You can download it as a PPT, PDF, or even PNG file, whatever suits your needs. This makes it super convenient to share, present, or print your slides anywhere, anytime. And that's how easily you can create professional dynamic presentations with AI PPT. From generating smart outlines to adding AI-powered visuals and exporting in multiple formats. Everything happens in just a few clicks. If you want to experience this powerful tool yourself, check out AiPPT.com. The link is in the description below. Give it a try and take your presentation creation to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools and tech videos.